Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store for OPPO A94 5G. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for Call of Duty and see if it's there. But there's no game, so we'll need to fix that. Let's go back, click on your profile icon, move to the settings, then Family, Parental Controls, and here there's a two-way we can fix this. And first one is to disable parental controls entirely by typing in your PIN. Next is to click on Apps and Games. Here enter the PIN, click OK, and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure you save that and go back. Now let's look for Call of Duty. And here we have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.